those events where a lot of people who have got interest in multiculturalism has the opportunity to go and experience Africa.
You believe you can dance, so stand here. Is there anyone?
We wanted to attract a lot of Australians as well, and we were like, you know, how can we expose Afrobeats more, you know?
Exactly.
Not just the music, but the culture as well. From there, the SOE Festival was created.
Yes.
It's not just about being African or being any other kind of ethnicity. It's about that spirit of togetherness of everyone and sharing with everyone and bringing everyone together.
It takes out the stigma, it takes out that intimidation that people relate to when they deal with Africans.
I want all my children, all African children, to be proud to be African and black.
Is it probably one of the best festivals in Melbourne? Definitely.
It's not something you love to sit home. It's something that you have to come.